Your lawsuit's been filed, the defendant has been served, and now you have a court date. I'm a sessions judge in Knox County, Tennessee. Let me tell you a little bit about trying your lawsuit once your court date comes. First, always be courteous to everyone in court, court officers, clerks, and even your opponent. Secondly, dress appropriately. And third, probably most important, be very prepared. Make sure you brought all of your witnesses, all of your documents that you intend to show to the court, maps, pictures, everything you think is going to be relevant to your lawsuit. The first thing that happens in a trial is an opening statement. The plaintiff gets to go first. A good opening statement might be just a few sentences, like, for example, Your Honor, this is a car wreck case. On a particular date and time, the defendant, through their negligence, caused damage to my automobile because we had a wreck that was their fault. Then the defendant gets an opportunity to make an opening statement as well. Perhaps, as an example, the defendant might say, well, Your Honor, I believe it was actually the plaintiff's negligence that caused the wreck, and besides that, their automobile was already damaged. Then, the plaintiff presents his or her witnesses, proof, exhibits, that sort of thing. And then the defendant has the opportunity to present their witnesses and their proof. Either side can call themselves as a witness. Then, both sides have the opportunity to make what's called closing statements, where you give the judge a brief outline of your main points that you think you've proven and why you should win your case. Both sides have the opportunity to do this. To win, the plaintiff must clearly show that they are entitled to prevail. The legal term is called preponderance, or the greater weight of the evidence. Remember, the plaintiff must show liability, that is to say that the defendant is responsible, and damages, how much the plaintiff has incurred in the way of losses. Normally that's measured in dollars. There are no juries in Sessions Court. The judge makes the final determination of who prevails. In the event that you don't agree, you have a right to appeal as long as you do it within 10 days. For more information, see the nice folks at the clerk's office or visit this website that's superimposed on the screen.